Competition for attention has never been higher. Venue operators and the organizers of live events must create better, more convenient fan experiences, including VIP access. Enterprise Intelligence is here, leveraging the power of 5G to help venue operators streamline authentication without compromising security and even improving it. With accelerated access, you can use opted-in facial authentication to give fans a VIP Express access experience, meaning less time queuing, more time having fun. The same technology can also replace staff identity badges, and access can be controlled dynamically with minimal interruption to operations. This is just one of the ways Verizon is helping operators to transform. Verizon is leveraging 5G and edge computing to help teams and operators become more agile, more resilient to events beyond their control, and ultimately, more successful. The insight that Enterprise Intelligence provides them will give them the confidence to act and the ability to deliver, being able to innovate while caring for all the things that enterprises need to worry about. This is Enterprise Intelligence.